After you've completed your purchase on your copy of Trade Ideas and the Anchored VWAP AlphaTrends add-on, you can access the scans one of two ways. So the first is to simply go into your main bar here and then click New and open up a docked channel bar and find the Anchored VWAP AlphaTrends channel. Click on that and it will load up this entire channel for you. If you're somewhere else within the platform and you just want to look at the specific scans, you would simply click on New and Market Explorer window. And then when you have your Market Explorer window open up, right click in the middle of the window, click Select Strategy, and then down to AVWAP, and you will see the scans in there as well. Now, when you open up the channel, you'll be presented with charts with multiple time frames. You'll be presented with our price alerts bar. So what you can do here is simply click on a symbol. And for example, if I wanted to know if DocGo got to this kind of $8 or $9 area, I can right click. I can create a price alert. I can fill in notes and all kinds of information to customize it to my liking and hit save. And you can see it pops up there. So now the system will alert me when this price is reached, so I no longer need to watch this chart. Up here we have our single stock window, which has access to some fundamental data, things like short float, average volume. You can dive into earnings growth and things like that if you're more on the fundamental side. Then you can go to profile and you can read a little bit about the company. You can check out the competitors right here, and then also the news. Now you'll be presented with two scans right off the bat, but you can change these based off of the scan that you want, again, by just right-clicking and clicking Select Strategy. Now from there, there's really not much more to do, because the beauty of this is that we will actually draw the Anchored VWAPs for you. So one of these scans is just a pullback, so it's just looking for pullbacks into major Anchored VWAPs from turning points. So you can see right here on PODD, there was a pretty significant turning point candle right here, and the Anchored VWAP has been acting as support for this name. So you can see we've drawn it in on the daily, weekly, the 15-minute chart, and the 30-minute chart, so you can keep an eye on this level and see how price reacts to it. This one over here is the Anchored VWAP from the IPO price. So right here on DocGo was the IPO price, and you can see we're right at that area as well. So the VWAPs will be drawn for you based off whichever scan that you click, based off of whether we're looking at short-term or long-term. All of that will be adapted for you. So once you get the layout set up, there's really not much more to do other than to start scanning to find stocks that look interesting to you.